Hey y'all, welcome back to Crumbs and Butter. Welcome to our kitchen. We are making homemade pizzas tonight. So, we kind of got overzealous and excited and started making our pizzas and forgot to start filming. So, I'm going to have Ramon explain what we are making tonight and what he's done so far.
What we are making is a taco pizza, hands taco pizza, and a Hawaiian pizza.
Yes.
Now this is Hawaiian pizza with the pepperoni and not the ham or the Canadian bacon.
Right.
You people that do ham or Canadian bacon on your Hawaiian pizza, wrong.
Guilty, but he's converted me.
You're wrong.
He's
if
converted
you're doing
me.
that, you're wrong.
So what do we use instead?
We use pepperoni, jalapenos, red onions, pepperoni.
Yes, and lots of mozzarella.
Yes, and lots of mozzarella.
And Ramon obviously has already made the taco meat to go on his Mexican pizza here, and he has refried beans as the base
and salsa,
as
the base for the sauce.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't measure anything out because why?
Yeah, and then he did some onion,
jalapeno. And then there's
cheese,
a blend
obviously,
of cheese. There's a cheddar and there's a mozzarella cheese.
And then we'll have lettuce and fresh
tomatoes on top of all of this when it's said and done. But it needs to cook before I can do all that because if you put the lettuce and tomatoes on there, you got a soggy mess.
Yeah.
So.
And how are we going to cook these tonight? So
we're
not doing
oven.
I
will let you do this. I will let you explain.
So we are not doing the oven because we're trying to enjoy the last couple of days of decent fall around here. So we have Ramon has a ZGrill that we absolutely love, and we've cooked on it all summer long. We love it, and it makes the best smoky pizzas.
The best.
So we're making extras because we're actually going to freeze these, and so later on
we
want
have
to
no wasted meat or anything, and we can make whatever we want to make the next time. And if we want to just pop them in the oven in the house because it's going to be wintertime in South Dakota soon.
Yep, and we'll just have them ready.
We can just pop them in the oven frozen, bake them until the cheese melts.
Yes.
Life's good. You cannot go wrong with this meal. It's a perfect meal.
Yeah.
I would almost call this a poor man's meal. Sorry, Jack. It's not really a poor man's meal. But it's one that you can have for leftovers.
But it's easy and it's delicious. Now, we did kind of make, a little easy cut here. We bought the pizza crusts pre-made. You could certainly make your own.
If you want to.
We were not so inclined to do that today, so we did buy pre-made pizza crusts and just did the rest ourselves. So we'll take you back out when we start grilling these on the ZGrill. We'll see y'all in a little bit.
Bye, y'all.
Okay, y'all. Welcome back to Crumbs and Butter. We are about to cook our homemade pizzas. So, I'm going to follow Ramon here. So, you want to explain what we're using?
This is the ZGrill. It's a pellet grill. Temperature's at approximately 450 degrees. It's probably a little dark. We can't see everything, but it's okay. But this is a ZGrill. I can't tell you the model number, but I'll put it in the description. We have a pizza stone. I won't mention who makes the pizza stone because I don't really know who makes the pizza stone, and we'll just leave it at that. They might be one of those cancel culture type things, and I don't want to be involved. But I'm going to put the taco pizza on.
So we got taco pizza going on the pizza stone. And then we've got the Hawaiian
pizza going on there. I know some people think that's not a pizza. Pepperoni. Don't use the ham.
Yeah,
pepperoni.
I'm converted, y'all. I used to be a strictly Canadian bacon ham person with my Hawaiian, and
don't do that.
Ramon has converted me to the pepperoni.
Canadian bacon on a Hawaiian pizza,
and it looks delicious.
If you're putting Canadian bacon on a Hawaiian pizza, how does that make it a Hawaiian pizza?
I don't know.
Exactly.
It's just what everybody does.
Don't do it,
It's what everybody does.
Don't do it. Stop.
All right.
Stop that.
ZGrills, we will be back shortly when our pizzas are done. Bye, y'all. Okay, y'all, so here are our pizzas. They've been on the grill for probably 10 minutes,
10
maybe?
minutes, 15 minutes, maybe.
Yeah. Looking delicious. I'm super excited.
Taco pizza.
Hawaiian
pizza.
Yes.
Taco Hawaiian. Yeah.
We'll let you know how they taste. Okay, so here we are with our homemade pizzas on the ZGrill. Ramon has let them just smoke now for about 5 to 8 minutes maybe.
Yep.
So we are taking these off. Whoop, there goes the taco.
There's the taco.
Here comes
And
the
there goes
Hawaiian.
the Hawaiian.
And we will be back with a taste test.
Yes. Can't wait.
Okay, y'all, this is the final product of our homemade pizzas on the ZGrill, and now we are going to do the taste test. Taco and Hawaiian pizzas. Okay, y'all, here we go. Taste test. It's hot.
Oh, fuck yeah. Oh, God. Yep. Taco pizza.
The Hawaiian pizza definitely grabbed that smoky flavor from the wood pellets on the ZGrill. Oh, wow. Sweet with little spice because I did do the jalapenos. And what do you think of your taco pizza, honey? Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Tilly is anxiously awaiting. It is
Tilly approved.
Tilly approved. Thanks for joining us, y'all. We'll see you next time.
Hot.
Bye.
Hot.